back to my channel. My name is Megan and I'm your body piercer on the journey to losing 100 pounds. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. So tonight we are making chicken street tacos. It is one of my favorite dishes from one of my absolute favorite bloggers. She used to be the Daily Dose of Pepper and now she's the Skinny-ish dish. Holy crap, that's hard to say. I will go ahead and link her blog down below if you are looking for some awesome, healthier recipes. I highly recommend checking her out. All right, let's get started. You're going to want to start by first chopping up one small onion and setting it aside. Add 2 cups of cooked chicken to a pan on medium heat. Go ahead and add in your onions, and then you're going to take about half a packet of taco seasoning. I always get the one that has the 25% lower sodium. It's up to you if you want to do that one or not. And just kind of eyeball it. Give it a good stir. Next, you're going to want to add in a can of refried beans. I use the fat-free refried beans for this one. About half a cup of salsa, and then half a cup of Greek yogurt. Go ahead and set that aside when it's done. This is the longest part out of the whole thing. You're going to want to heat up your tortillas for about 30 seconds on each side. This recipe will make about 24 of these, so this can be the most time-consuming part. Fill each taco with about a tablespoon of filling. Be careful because they are really hot. And place them on a greased pan. Then you're going to want to pop them into the oven for about 8 minutes. And there you have it, your chicken street tacos. So we have our tacos all done for you. I'm sure you saw in the intro that they were already done, but hey, it's been a long day. Oops, not perfect. I will warn you, and from experience, do not pull these out of the oven and immediately plate them and bite into them, because the first time that my husband and I made this dish, we both burned ourselves really bad. Highly recommend that you give them at least a good 15 minutes to chill. So she has different toppings. You can either do some cabbage, you can do some sour cream if you want a little bit more cheese. I don't do any cabbage. I just pair it with a nice big salad, and then I just dip it in a little bit of sour cream. Go ahead and try these out for you. I'm so excited. I can't remember the last time that I've had these. Again, they could be like super, super hot, so be careful. Oh yeah. Hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll be back soon with another video.